The U.S. Department of Justice is suing the state of Vermont. They're looking for a court order demanding state officials share voter registration data with the feds. Our Yamuna Turco has been following this story. She spoke with the Secretary of State today and the Attorney General. She joins us now live in the studio with some context to this and how we got here. Yamuna.
Well, Brian, back in September, the DOJ requested voter data from every state, things like dates of birth, addresses, and driver's license numbers. Now, Secretary Hanses here in Vermont declined to provide it, citing privacy concerns and other legal barriers.
I am looking forward to defending Secretary of State Sarah Copeland Hanses.
On Monday, the Trump administration took legal action against Vermont and 5 other states after they refused to provide voter registration data. The DOJ claimed the information request is a routine procedure. However, Secretary Hanses' office oversees elections in Vermont, and she says the request violated state law, which prohibits her office from turning over identifiable information.
We, as the Secretary of State's office and town and city clerks, cannot share that detailed information with anyone for any commercial interests or with any foreign government or with the federal government.
Hanses says this law makes sure people's personal information stays safe.
Vermont law, it was crafted by the legislature, crafted very specifically in this instance to protect people's personally identifiable information. And that is the law that we're following, and that's why we have taken this stance.
Vermont Congresswoman Becca Balint shared her support of Hanses and Attorney General Clark, stressing that Hanses' move to withhold the data is legal.
I have complete and total confidence in Secretary of State Sarah Copeland Hanses and in our Attorney General and Vermont Charity Clerk. It is literally against our state law for our Secretary of State to share personal, private information from the voter rolls.
Vermont Governor Phil Scott echoed his support of Hanses, saying at his press conference that she's fulfilling her duties and upholding state law.
I'm supportive of the Secretary of State, and this is down in her bailiwick, so to speak, so we'll see where it goes from here.
Clark says the federal government has 90 days to serve the state with the lawsuit, but she says her office hasn't received those documents yet. In the studio, Yamuna Turco, NBC 5 News.